Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to redeem a code on Stumble Guys. So first of all, all you need to do, just go and download Stumble Guys if you don't have it on your phone. Of course, you can do that through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. So once you actually did that, or let me just tell you that you can even play it on your PC as I'm doing right now. Of course, if you are interested by that, you can go and check one of our videos in this channel on how to do that. It has all the details, so just go and check it out. Of course, if you already downloaded on your PC, on your simulator, on your phone, just go and open it, and that will open the game for you. So as you can see, the game's open for me directly. Don't panic or anything, I already had it open, that's why it opens directly. But for you, you'll need to wait a bit until the game loads and until they log you into your account. So of course, as we said in the beginning of the video, if you want to redeem your code, as you see, if you go here to the player, you will not find any option to redeem code. If you go here to settings, you will not find any option to redeem a code. As you can see, wait, let me just show you, scroll up, and if you go even to the place that you buy gem, so this is an example. I wanna buy, because normal games, what you do if you want to redeem a code, unless you find the redeem code option on the settings or shop, or you can just go and start trying to buy something, and you'll find here at the buy-in section three options, maybe even more, but you'll find the redeem code option. As you can see here, you don't have it. That means it's not available yet on the Stumble Guys, but they are saying that they may add that in the future update. So maybe if you're seeing this video and 2 years, or not 2 years, 2 months maybe, or maybe 5 months, or even 1 month, they may have already added this option. So that will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.